Hey everyone, welcome back. I wanted to share with you how to seat the tire bead without an air compressor. First is to clean the rim of any leftover sealant. This is one of the most important steps. If you are reusing a tire with sealant in it, you need to clean that tire bead, which is the second most important step. You'll see in a moment why this is important. I'm installing a new tire, so I'm all set to go. Be sure to get it nice and clean. I'm using rubbing alcohol. Cleanliness here is your friend. So install the tire as you normally would. Now for the trick. Grab the side of the wall of the tire, pull and roll it up and out. What you're trying to achieve is moving the tire bead to the shelf edge of the rim, as you see in the picture. Work your way around the tire using the valve as your starting and end point. I sometimes go around twice to be sure I've gotten the bead to the edge. Now using either your floor pump, or in my case, Ryobi air pump, start pumping. You should see the pressure on the gauge rising and the all-knowing pop sound. I like to fill the tire to its max pressure to be sure it seats, and also look around the side of the tire for the uniform line to confirm the tire is fully seated. Let the air out and remove the valve core to install your favorite sealant. I use a syringe to inject the sealant through the valve, keeping the valve at 90 degrees so not to have any sealant come back out. I like to blow some air to clear any residual sealant in the valve, as not to prematurely clog it. Reinstall the valve core and pump the tire back up. Now rotate the tire, letting the sealant flow around the tire bead on the inside. This helps seal any tiny air gaps, if any, or just go for a ride. You can use this technique out on the trail with the CO2 cartridge, if you have removed the tire from the rim, to maximize your chances the bead seats again. Good luck! Thanks again for watching, see you on the next one.